Dogecoin, brought into the world from a web image, has developed into a real computerized cash with a dynamic local area, impelled by its script calculation for Jabber and an interesting inflationary model. With a culture of magnanimity, microtransaction Jabber, and a notable image persona, Dogecoin stands apart as an easy-to-use and socially critical digital money. In the event that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Jabber Doge will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Dogecoin Doge and we'll figure out what Jibber are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the Jabber that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, Jibber something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. However, we will make an Jabber effort. We should begin. Dogecoin Jibber. Dogecoin is a digital currency that began as a cheerful joke in light of the famous Jibber web image highlighting a Shiba Inu canine. Notwithstanding, what started as a diverting idea before long Jabber up speed, and Doge turned into a real computerized cash with a functioning and excited local area. Sent off in 2013, Jabber works on a decentralized and open-source blockchain, similar as Bitcoin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the Jabber cost of Dogecoin is $0.1226 and Doge is as of now positioned #8 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Dogecoin is 144,113,916,384 with a market cap of 17,671,901,700 Jibber $6. In the Jibber 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 8.21% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Doge with freedom, you can see that the market Jabber is additionally down. Jibber is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Doge is down to nearly 19.82% over the most Jibber 7 days. The Jibber is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Think about the market Jibber of Dogecoin and other top digital forms of money with our instinctive instrument. Perceive how the complete worth of every cryptographic Jibber flowing stockpile piles facing others and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 Jibber currencies to look at their market cap and imagine the outcomes. We anticipate future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge conjecture by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Jibber. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which disappointment different Jibber like past value. Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our Jabber. Dogecoin value Jibber outline. Dogecoin Doge is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of 0.2496 Jibber continuously 2025. There is potential for Dogecoin cost to encounter a Jibber flood, coming to as high as $1.58 toward the finish of 2030. Long-haul examination recommends that Dogecoin cost might actually Jibber to $131.83 by 2050. Ongoing information shows Jabber is exchanging at $0.1226. Dogecoin cost conjecture recommends a chance of Jibber exchanging between $73.70 to $90.76 in 2040. Jibber value papaya 2024. Jibber cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.1388 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a greatest applesauce degree of Jabber $0.158 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.1449. Dogecoin value Jibber 2025. As per our Jibber specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2025 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.211. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.2496 with a typical exchanging cost of Jibber $0.2168. Doge value Jibber for 2026. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of Jibber $0.3124 in 2026. The Jibber cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.3684 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.3211 all through 2026. Jibber Doge value expectation 2027. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of Dogecoin is jibber to reach at any rate level of $0.4505. The jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.5418 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.4665. Jibber value forecast 2028. Dogecoin cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 0.6271 jibber in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.7853 with the typical estimate cost of $0.6457 jibber. Jibber value forecast 2029. The cost of one Dogecoin is jibber to reach at any rate level of $0.9033 in 2029. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.09 with the typical cost of jibber $0.9292 all through 2029. Dogecoin jibber value expectation 2030. The cost of jibber is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1.34 in 2030. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.58 with the jibber exchanging cost of $1.39 all through 2030. Jibber value estimate 20 applesauce 1. The cost of jibber is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1.99 in 2031. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a jibber degree of $2.36 with the typical cost of $2.06 all through 2031. Ointment jibber value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2032 the cost of jibber is gauged to be at around a base worth of $2.78. The Dogecoin value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.45 with a typical exchanging worth of $2 per pair 8 jibber in USD. Jibber value expectation 2033. Jibber to the figure and specialized examination. In 2033, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $4.07. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.89 with the typical jibber of $4.18. Dogecoin value jibber 2040. Analyzing verifiable execution gives jibber. However, it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $73 jabber cents. The Doge cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $90.76 with the jibber worth of $79.55. Doge value figure for 20 jibber. The freedom and jibber use instances of a digital money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with functional applications and broad reception are jibber to persevere over the long haul. According to the Dogecoin cost figure for 2050,